Maximize your YouTube cash cow video with AI-powered digital marketing. Welcome to today's exciting episode, where we'll explore the world of AI-powered digital marketing and how it can supercharge your YouTube cash cow videos. I'm your host, and I'm thrilled to take you on this journey. The power of YouTube cash cow videos. Before we dive into the AI tools, let's briefly discuss what YouTube cash cow videos are. These are videos that generate consistent revenue over time, often through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, or product promotions. Imagine having a steady stream of income flowing in from your YouTube channel. Well, today, we'll show you how AI can help you achieve just that and take your cash cow videos to the next level. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, the AI tools that can revolutionize your digital marketing strategies. Are you tired of spending hours optimizing your video descriptions and tags? Stick around to discover a game-changing AI tool that does it all for you. The first tool on our list is AI-powered SEO optimization. It helps your videos rank higher in search results and attracts more viewers.